Hi everyone, welcome back to Ole Rico, your Mexican kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious salsa with Mariana. Hello Mariana, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm good.
What are you going to be making for us today?
So today we're going to be making this delicious salsa with peanuts. This is an original recipe for my family. My uncle, my dad's brother, is the one that makes it, and ever since I tried it the first time when I went to visit them in Mexico, I loved it, so I asked for the recipe and now I'm going to show it to you.
Sounds great to us. Okay, what are the ingredients we're going to be needing for this recipe?
Around a handful of peanuts, cumin, 2 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, and then you're going to use guajillo chiles and arbol chiles. The quantity is depending on how spicy you want it.
Okay, so what are we going to begin with to make this salsa?
So we're going to start by removing the seeds from the chiles.
Okay.
So right now I'm going to use around 4 or 5 arbol chiles, and we're going to use around 3 guajillos.
Okay.
I'm going to cut my tomatoes
in big parts, right?
Yeah, so just it's easier to fry. Okay, so we're going to start by placing our chiles in the pan, and then our arbols
as well. What I recommend for you to do not cook this in a closed area, because you are going to start getting a lot of smell of the chile and it's going to be spicy and you're going to start coughing. So if you have a kitchen with a window, I suggest you open.
So I think now we can start putting our peanuts in. Oh, and don't forget your garlic. Just put it in there.
It's a crucial ingredient to the salsa.
Crucial ingredient.
Or turn on your extractors. You should have said that.
If you feel like your chiles are getting bored,
we suggest you put them aside for right now, so we can cook the other ingredients, and then once they're almost done, we can add them back into the blend.
Yeah, like I'm gonna take all the chiles out.
And in the same oil you're gonna...
Yeah, and now I'm gonna be placing the tomatoes. Okay, so I already turned off my stove, and we're gonna prepare for blending. Okay, so we're gonna put the chiles in the blender.
Okay.
And we're gonna add everything, yeah.
Are we gonna add water, or we're just gonna blend it with the tomato juice and that?
This is completely optional.
Depending on the consistency
that you want. This is supposed to be a very creamy, very dense salsa. And so my uncle said just to blend with the oil. We are not,
and that should be enough, right?
Yeah, but if you want a more liquid consistency, then you're more than welcome to add water as you please. So this is to taste, so I'm just gonna add some salt, and some cumin. Okay, so now we're ready to blend.
Yeah, make sure it gets down there, so
we added just a little bit of water. It wasn't even 1/4 of a cup, just a little bit. There you go.
We decided to break up some baked tortillas. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
So as you can see, the consistency is very thick, which is the desired consistency.
And that's it. Let's go ahead and try our salsa.
All right. Really good.
Does it taste like the deals?
No.
So this is it for today's video, guys. We hope you give it a try to this salsa. If you decide to give it a try, leave it down in the comments if you like it, how it came out. We would really appreciate it and would really love to hear your outcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, This is Ole Rico, your Mexican kitchen.
See you in the next video.